Hi guys, it's Jessica, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these flower and citrus summer soaps. I'll be showing you how to make 6 different soaps, which are cornflower and jasmine, orange neroli, goat milk, grapefruit, lemon poppy seed, rose and fressia, and lavender and vanilla. The first thing you will need is a soap mold. I'm using this heart-shaped mold from Hobby Lobby. For the first soap mold, I'm adding dried cornflowers, which by the way, all the flowers and citrus fruits I'll be using are dried. So I'm just going to be placing these flowers on the bottom of the mold. You can spread them out however you want, whatever looks good to you really. The next soap I'm going to be making is orange neroli and goat milk. My slices were pretty large, so I could only fit 2. Previously, I dried these citrus slices by preheating the oven to 200 degrees and laying the pieces on a wire rack over a pan for a few hours. You can make your own like I did or buy dried citrus slices online. Now for my next soap, I'm laying down grapefruit slices. I used about 3. It really doesn't matter how much you use, it's mostly for presentation and to make the soaps look pretty, which is great for gifts or for your own personal use. And now for my next soap, I'm making lemon poppy seed. I'm adding the poppy seeds to the bottom and will later layer them a little bit when I add the soap base. For the next soap base, I am adding dried rose petals. These petals darkened after I added the soap base. I think maybe next time crushing them up and putting them on the bottom like I did with the cornflowers would have been a better idea. But anyways, moving on to my lavender and vanilla soap, I'm adding my lavender buds at the bottom of the soap mold, and as soon as I finish this up, we can move on to the next step. But real quick, here's a closer view of how everything looks in the mold. I love how the colors match each other and they just look so good together. For the soap base, I used a goat milk soap base. Goat milk soap is gentle on the skin, it softens the skin and does so much more. You can use whatever soap base you want. I just used what I had, and that was goat milk for all of them. I just bought the melt and pour kind, which I heated in the microwave for 30-second intervals, and you just want to stir that up real nice and be sure to cut the soap base in little chunks before heating it up. I'm adding some vitamin E oil because it has moisturizing and healing benefits. Just about a drop will do. Also, I'm adding some shea butter for my lemon poppy seed mold because the shea will turn the white color to yellow, which is perfect to resemble a lemon poppy seed for my lemon poppy seed soap, and I'm just going to mix that together. I then added some lemon essential oil, mixed it in real nice, gotta sniff it to make sure it smells good, and began pouring. For the next 2 soap molds, the orange and grapefruit, I'm going to be adding sweet almond oil to the goat milk soap base, which by the way, I'm using a goat milk soap base for all the soaps I'm making today. I don't know if I said that. I'm also going to be adding some vitamin E oil, just about a drop once again, and mixing that in before adding the essential oils. I'm going to divide the soap base between 2 containers so I can add the orange essential to one and the grapefruit essential to the other. I usually don't count how many drops I put in, I just put in enough to where it smells good to me. Alright, finally for the last 3 soap molds, I just added vitamin E oil to the soap base. I'm going to divide the base into 3 containers so I can add the different essential oils to them. And in case you're curious, I just used lavender and vanilla for the lavender soap, rose and fressia for the rose soap, and jasmine for the cornflower soap. After pouring the soap molds, you have to wait for them to dry. I waited overnight, but about 8 hours should do it. God knows I sleep for more than 8 hours, but I believe 8 hours should do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.